Hello guys, this is my second video. Today's video, we're playing the admin abuse. Today is Saturday, and it's 7:01. Okay, we're waiting the admin abuse. So let's see what in stock. Okay, not pretty store is nothing good, bro. Nothing good. Okay, water bucket. I need water bucket sauce grenade. So Jandel, Angelite, and Armin found good stuff and I could beat it. But I have. Oh, Jalet is using the admin abuse, okay? Oh, shoot! Nah! Chombinos, okay? Wait. Let me get the Frigo Camelo, okay? Frigo, Magma Frigo Camelo. And Alessio, I don't think I have Alessio for real. Oh, I have Alessio. Oh, I got the size potion, bro. This good, bro. Let's see what's Gillette. Ooh, Bangelo. Okay, with the gold mutation na. I don't need that, bro. Is is everyone doing? I'm good. I'm just waiting for the admin abuse one. Gillette is using the admin abuse now. And that's all. Just oh, I got the Gianni Torburini. Okay, let's get my witch potion. Where is my witch potion at? Oh, dirty. Okay, I'ma drink some witch potion. King Limonite, and some Tomatreo, and Chombino. Okay, we plant it. I will be not wasting all of that because there'll be a OP stock tonight, bro. When the new update is out. Let's see the new update. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the corrupted plant pantry. Oh, this is good. Oh, other version though. The corrupted version of it. Before corrupted. 10, 10, 10 HP. One. No. Damn, bro. Bring me plant. I will corrupt them. Okay. Bring you carni, my big one. Carnivorous. And I'ma give you this. Will be removed. I don't care, bro. I don't need that though anyways. Though let's see. Also a new admin brain not solution. Okay. Worse. I already finished the admin chest that's why it's so every time you finish and you open it it's reset. I didn't know that. This is oh magma mutation El Takurito. 53 and let's see the stuff. This is for nothing gold free. Let's go to the girl shop. Okay, five water bucket, okay. And toss grenade and banana gun. Elephant for Magio. Sloby mutation with the Lucky Black. Secret Lucky Black. What the hell, bro? She's dead. So easy. So I don't have Robux. I don't need that. So let's see. So the OP stuck today. Yes, sir. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes, I need it to give my brother some brain rot and plant. She don't have a phone because we're broke for real. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a big carnivore. Okay, I will eventually. I also will remove the card merge into card UI. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, where's the card UI at? Damn! No! Big circle to the corrupt mutation. Delete shall we no longer want. Okay. Where's the card UI? Delete has set the server lock to 4x. Okay. Good, bro. That's good. Let's plant some more. Na do tab more. Quote, I'ma open some meme lucky block. Please get me some Gatolini Aulini. Dang it, Armini Bolderini. What the really? Bro, I don't like that. No! I used my sleepers, bro. No way, bro. Sleepers. God dang it. I used my witch potion. Accident, bro. That was accident for real. Dang it, bro. Why? Bro, why? Wow. Oh, this is magma. I thought it was ruby. It was magma. Magma ground. Nah, not that part so much. I'm gonna fuse some brain the I don't know. Where's the let's see what's in my body. Oh, a galactic. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay. A normal W has spawn. Okay. Make a bigger one. Make a bigger one. Galate. Make a bigger one. Just 5 mil. Nah. That's real, bro. That's real scam. Oh, okay. I'm gonna kill it. He's so strong for real. Chill. Chill, bro. Chill. Don't go in my garden. No way. Always doing that, bro. My Wi-Fi is so low, bro. Okay, W is, bro. Just die already. For real. Yeah, just die already, bro. Please. Just die already. Bro, please die already. Dang it, bro. Please die, please. Normal devil. Again na. Oh, the hell? What did I say? It's an admin brain not session. Okay. Oh, I got the L. With 13. I got the L in W. It's gonna be dead, bro. Please. Just die. He's strong like that, bro. So, somebody will beat that instantly, bro. They're strong. But me, I'm not strong. For real, I'm not strong. Real. See the stuff, nah, nothing good. What the hell? Mananagan, I will buy that. And frost grenade. Use frost grenade. And 3 water bag. I never got a big one of two. Dang it. Oh, I told you I do a Roblox. Dang it. Then there's something else that can get you through it. Okay, let me see. Then there's something else that can get you. First is a me team. Okay, team. I got my plant army. Corrupted down. I had my corrupted carnivore with 7k 7k damage. Okay, that bad. Oodles underworld. Is this under? Oh, this is upside down. It is him. It is sturdy. He looks like she's dancing like a sturdy bro. She's walking like sturdy. Please give me, bro. There's a secret with it. Oh, I cannot see it. This will be what's the name of that event? Oh, underworld event. You can see it out here. Dang you. Okay. That's a battle in it. Oh, legend. Oh, upside down manu deal blango. Okay, let me see. Equip my best granat. My boss is kinda bad now. Ooh, La Cameroni. Two of them. And upside down manu deal blango with the is forbidden. Okay, Bangelo. Okay, Galactic. Okay. One base card na I need this. Base. Base and base. God. I need to. Please give me something good. Please, no. No. Yes, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. Ooh, not bad, bro. Ain't not bad. Okay. The prismatic sword event. Okay, my wife is kind of bad, bro. Why, bro? Why? Let's wait the meeting. Next video will I'll be playing Minecraft. I don't know in my phone for real. You can buy Minecraft in Play Store with $50. I wait. I don't know what. Nah, bro. I forgot, man. I forgot. Base card. Base card. Again, please give me something good. Oh, 3 of them. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Cactus, not legendary. Godly collection na. Oh, I need to sell some stuff. Sell my brand not limited, yeah. I don't care, bro. Season pass shop. Restock. Okay. Nano then Blanco. What the hell is name, bro? She looks like a character in the Wednesday series. Was girl watching, bro? I'm not watching that. Ooh. Underworld. Oh, this is the, you can see through this. No, they patch it. Bro, you can see through this, bro. It's so scary for real. So scary that could even sleep tonight. I'm just kidding. I'll be waiting, 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 waiting. No, this is sturdy. Look at his sword, bro. Look like dancing like sturdy. See, bro. Banggelo half pound. Okay. Banggelo. Nah, I don't need that. You see? Let me see you. Yeah, finish all of them. I need to unlock the jungle. Server delete the server lock to 4 times. Okay. Let's see the season. Okay. Plasherini banalini seed. Okay. How do I get that? One carnivorous plant. 6, 7. Bro, please, 6, 7. I know it. It's 6, 7. You mean 6, 7. Oh, I told you. I told you. No, but it's normal. Bro, this big. 3 million, yeah, I'm marking this. It's cheap for that, bro. Oh, man. Kill this dude. Kill this dude. My plant. Bro, what? Kill this 6, 7. Oh, yeah. 6, 7. Kill this, please, kill. I'm gonna spam some frost grenade to kill this dude, bro. I'm lagging for real. So I also add 25 new mission and brand new biome. Bro, I need to grind more and more and more and more. Nah, bro. Not gonna lie, she's. Bro, the mission is hard, bro. For real. The mission hard and making hard and hard. Bro, hard. Every time, hard, bro. Every mission going to be harder and harder and harder. For real. Mano del Bengo na again. Bengo. Oh, she said, bro, that easy to kill. It is easy to kill for real. Then, that 6, 7, bro. The Forbidden Blingo has been defeated. Okay. Another. Okay, let's see. Uli namin ka mga spawn. Yo, this is for... Nah, bro. Level 3? Tier 3? Nah, what the hell? Oh, I killed it. So easy to kill, bro. Upside down army, no? Okay. Oh, opportunity currency this new. Bro, it's easy to... Speaking of that, it's next city in start that new stuff that show which mission you are on. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Backpack space. Black boost current mission 35. Damn. Stuck. Grape seed. I need grape. Please. OP stock, please. Now, bro. Now. No. Season pass. Shop. Restock. Okay. Okay. Bro, damn. This guy is thick. But water bucket. I need water bucket. For real. I need water bucket. 20 of water bucket. A pyro, bro. Pyro. Finish. So easy slay. No, I'm not gay like that. I don't like play mango powder. She's gay. Really? I don't know if she's gay or not. I don't know. Then OP1 will come soon. Alright, we'll do the short. Galactic Pistol na. OP1 will come soon. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I thought it was. Oh, I opened my voice chat and accident for real. Melon is set to 1. Stock set to 1. Watermelon and grape and cocoa tank. I need, bro. My Wi-Fi is kind of bad, bro. Why can't I buy it? Why can't I buy it, bro? Oh, why I can buy it? Oh, now I buy it. Woo! See me official shop. Okay, see me. Not God. Okay, finish it all. Oh, fuck. Oh, my bad. My bad. Sorry, guys. OP1. Damn. Oh, yeah. Well, not everyone will have this quest. Okay, man. It's galactic, okay. My plat will handle. Because you have found strawberry kamalanta. I don't know how to. I don't know what to read his name for real. Okay. One biscuit. I will be Guerrero. Oh, should I spawn a forbidden? Yes, sir. Found some more, bro. Found some more. Mateo. That's Mateo. Okay, guys. 20 minutes in the video. Okay. Giant Turbozine. This brain nut can charm fuse and the plant. And not Turbozine. It's easy to kill for real. My video will end very much soon. Okay. After I get that 20 minutes. If I get 20 minutes, my video will end. My phone is overheating for real. Okay. Bro. Pan, bro. Normal L. Okay, this is my brother, bro. I'ma give him this. Oh! For wala ka naman half pound. Damn. Frozen. That is an L. Forbidden GD been has found. Okay. How? What else? What is it? Oh, this dude. He's so cool for real. It's a daisy like a Jalate. Oh, this is Jalate's favorite brand. That's real for real. Oh, damn. Spawning all. My galleon will be the plant. My brain will be stuck, bro. Oh, there's 20 minutes. It's okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Bye. I love you so much. Bye.